Running a small business means doing everything at once. Calls, chats, reviews, content, and campaigns all compete for your time. But without help, important work gets delayed, and opportunities slip away. Meet AIEmployee.ca, your always-on AI employee. One platform that handles conversations, builds your reputation, creates your content, guides your workflows, and launches funnels. So you can grow your business without chasing after it. How many calls do you miss each week? With Voice AI, you never miss another one. It answers every inbound call, qualifies leads, updates your CRM, and routes hot prospects straight to your team, even after hours. Think of it as your 24/7 virtual receptionist, ready to book appointments and handle sales inquiries without skipping a beat. Customers want fast, friendly replies, anytime, anywhere. Conversation AI delivers exactly that. It books appointments, answers questions, and qualifies leads automatically across web chat, SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. Every response sounds human, stays on brand, and keeps the conversation moving toward a sale. Great reviews bring in new customers. Bad reviews? They push them away. Reviews AI requests feedback after every job, responds instantly in your brand voice, and handles multiple platforms at once. You save hours each week and keep your reputation shining. Need a blog, a social post, or an email campaign content? Content AI writes it for you in seconds. No creative block, no design skills needed. It even generates custom visuals, so your marketing looks as good as it sounds. Post, send, or launch, all from one place. Automation can feel complicated. Workflow AI makes it simple. Just tell it what you want, and it builds the steps for you. From follow-ups to lead nurturing, it turns complex processes into clear, ready-to-run workflows that save you time and boost results. Want to sell a new product, run a webinar, or capture more leads? Funnel AI designs your landing pages and sales funnels based on a few simple prompts. You get 60 to 70% of the work done instantly, then customize and launch in minutes without a single line of code. With AIEmployee.ca, powerful AI employee, every call is answered, every chat moves toward a sale, your reputation stays strong, your content gets done, your workflows run, and your funnels convert. More sales, less stress. Happier customers. Ready to grow your business without adding to your workload? Book your free AIEmployee.ca demo today and put your AI employee to work.